Okay, now today we will be doing the law of demand. All right, this is page number 10. Okay, the law of demand. Now the law of demand states that the statement of the law is the law of demand states that other things remaining equal. All right, the other things over here will be the determinants of demand which we have already studied, like the income of the consumer, the taste and preferences of the consumer, future expectations of the consumer, etc. Okay, so all those other things which are kept as equal. Okay, the quantity demanded of a commodity increases when its price falls and decreases when the price rises. So the law of demand states that other things remaining the same is an assumption. Okay, we keep other determinants of the quantity demanded as constant. So what do we only see is that the quantity demanded changes when there is a change in the price of its own. Okay, when the price of a commodity increases, the demand for that commodity will decrease, and when the price of the commodity increases, demand decreases, price decreases, demand increases. So there is an inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. Okay, so now with the statement of the law, what we have come to know is that other things remaining the same means the determinants. Okay, just the price of a commodity may change, the price of its own. See, if you're talking about commodity X over here, then the price for commodity X will increase or decrease. But you see that the demand for the other determinants like income, taste and preferences, etc. are constant. They do not change. So the other determinants will not change, but only the price of the commodity will change. We're talking about commodity X, then the price of its substitutes will remain the same. Income of the consumer will remain the same. Taste and preferences will remain the same. Okay, climatic factors will remain the same. Everything else remaining the same. Only the price is taken as a variable over here, and when price of its own changes, there will be seen a change in quantity demanded. All right, and what is the change like? The change is like this. Price increases. What happens? The commodities will become expensive and the consumer will buy less. Therefore, demand will decrease, and vice versa will also be true. So this is the law of demand. Now, after the law of demand, we have demand schedule. Okay, a schedule is a table, a tabular representation of the law of demand. All right, so what do we see in a demand schedule is that we represent whatever we have learned in the law of demand in the form of a table. So how to make or draw a table? Okay, we have to keep in mind that as price increases, the quantity demanded will decrease. So let us draw the graph. Let us draw. Okay, price of any commodity X in rupees and quantity demanded of any commodity in kgs. All right, price is 10, quantity demanded is 60 kgs. Price 20, quantity demanded 50 kgs. Likewise, you see price increases from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then quantity demanded decreases. When it is 10, it is 60. 20, it is 50. 30, it is 40. Okay, so 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. So when price is increasing, quantity demanded is decreasing. All right. So here, as price increases from 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 60, whatever, the quantity demanded decreases from 60 to 50 to 10.